Today, I'm going to show you how to add negative keywords into your AdWords campaigns to make sure you cut down your wasted ad spend and avoid having your ad show for keywords that are completely irrelevant and are just going to waste your money. Okay, so simply put, to add negative keywords into an AdWords campaign is really simple. And I'm also going to show you a tool to do different match types, keyword match types, if you want to do that with your negatives, which I highly recommend. If you don't know what I'm talking about with keyword match types and stuff like that, and how to find negative keywords, I'm going to put a link below this video in the description to another video where I go through how to find negative keywords and how all the match types and stuff work. But for time's sake here, I'm just going to show you how, once you already have your list of negative keywords, how we just drop them right into an AdWords campaign. So if you log into your AdWords account, we're going to be in our XYZ Roofers campaign, which is our example campaign. Come over here. You should see your home screen here. What you're going to do is just come down here to Keywords, click Keywords. Come up here. It's going to say Negative Keywords. Click that. You can see here's our list of our negative keywords that we already have. And you're going to click this plus. You're going to add these at the campaign level. Okay, you can either add them at the ad group or the campaign. For this example, we're going to do campaign level. We don't want to do ad group, that's more advanced stuff. And we're going to go over to our tool here. It's called AdWords Wrapper, adwordswrapper.com. And what it does is it wraps any keywords you drop in here, it wraps them in a different match type. So let's just say these are our negative keywords you want to add to the campaign. We're going to hit wrap keywords. We're going to come down to phrase match because we want to add phrase match. We're going to copy those. We're going to go back into AdWords, and we're just going to paste them. And then we're going to hit save. And that's it. We just added negative keywords into our AdWords campaign at the campaign level. Okay? Really simple stuff. Anyone can do this. Now remember, like I said, if you're not sure what match types are or how to find negative keywords, check the link below this video. I'll make sure that there's one in there. It just runs you guys through all that stuff, and so you know what I'm talking about, okay? If you have any questions, make sure you drop them below this video as well in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, give me a thumbs up, share it, and check out the links in the description. And hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video or see you in the Facebook group.